Let's go. Mantine. Oh! What's up, guys? We're back with another video. Look at this beautiful box. Today we're gonna be opening a Tapu Koko pen box collection. Ooh, look at this. This looks awesome. This looks awesome already. Oh, let's get started. Let's see. Size comes nice and easy. There we go. Thank God. Let's see. Side. First up, I have the pen. Look at that beautiful pen. So nice. Tapu Koko right there. And of course, we got the promo card. Zoom in. Focus. There you go. Look at that. Nice. Let's put it right here. On our best pulls. Well, this one's the promo, but still. Alright, we got 3 packs. It comes with 3 packs. Alright, first gonna open. Oh! Here's the promo code. Shout out to Bopix Ninja. Sorry, man, I couldn't get the other ones, but here you go. Alright, let's see another one. Alright, we're first gonna start with Sun and Moon Garden Rising. Let's see. Let's get another Tapu Koko. That'd be nice. That'd be nice. Let's see. Here's the code. Thank you. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4. We got Leaf, Fluffable, Gliscor. We got we're getting good pulls, dude. Machop, Alolan, Geodude, Mudbray. Ooh, one of my favorite Pokemon. Sandshrew, Cottonee, Max Potion. Oh, okay, and we got Lilligant. Okay, Lilligant, not bad, not bad. Let's see. Let's start with the Steam Stage. Let's see. Let's see. Let's start with the code. Here we go, guys. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, did I do it right? I don't know. Oh, Toxic Grove. Oh, I love that Pokemon too. Tentagrove. Nice. Alright. Drifloon. Seedot. Drifloon. Let's see. Marrow. Oh, we skipped one. Sheldos. Let's go. Mantine. Oh, that's awesome. Oh, we got a break. Nice. Alright, let's put it on our good pulls. Let's get the promo out of here. Let's see, one more pack, man. Pulling cards are hard to come by nowadays. But we'll get. I got a little bonus at the end, so don't worry, guys. Let's see. Alright. There you go, guys. The code. Okay, this one's 1, 2, 3, 4. We got Steel. Lola Mola. Marini, Flincher, Murkrow, Heptile, Machop, Slowpoke, Bopix. Shout out to Ninja Bopix. We got Pentrump, Turnator. Oh, that's it. Oh, okay, well, that's it. Well, only one good was this one. So yeah, that's about it.